Okay, so we're gonna do this quick because it's raining. On this week's episode, we get the entire rear air suspension working and done, and we get the rest of the tires mounted to get rid of the split rims. And lastly, we start working on the custom fabricated wipers. We stole them from a GM square body and we're making them work with our bus. So stay tuned. So, this has been Kate's request since we got the bus. She wants a working horn. And it works. Okay, so to clue you all in of what we're doing, the original wipers on this bus were air powered. Very slow, unreliable, and not great. So we've taken the wiper motor from a 2000 era Jeep Wrangler, I do believe, 95 to 2000, and using GM wiper hardware, we're now custom making all of this to work on an electric system.
Hold this piece for me.
Dirty.
All right, ready? Get ready to make kaboom. Ready?
Ready?
Noah, you ready? Go.
Ready?
Go.
1, 2, 3.
That was loud.
Yeah, I know. That's why I wanted to warn you. You don't get scared. Okay, I'm ready for the other piece.
What'd you hit your head on?
Front.
So Kate, what's cool about this is if I want to let out air, you press this trigger halfway and it releases the air.
Noah, can you take this and put it inside here? Stick it right there, really tight. No, right on this one. Right front here. Right there, yep. Tape it down really good, honey. And that, no.
I taped it down really good.
Okay, so day 2 of retrofitting brand new airbags to a 70-year-old system. In conjunction with, I think it's Sengel Brothers and Cape Cod Truck, we were able to get all the parts that we needed to make it so we have a working rear air suspension. So that's what we're doing. That's why we're contorting under the bus. That's why we're taking out bags. That's why we're all dirty. Okay, so only a couple bags left to finish retrofitting, and then we can install these things. How long have we been doing this, Kate?
All dang day.
And how long did I do it before that? 3 days now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you done?
Retrofitting a 70-year-old bus. Not the greatest thing, but we should have rear suspension hope. How long are these fucking threads? Holy shit. Okay. Great. Now he's kind of sort of free. Put him in there like so. Oh, come on now. Okay, get a little bit of liquid Teflon. Here. Lots of people came together to help us, but you can see here, we have a gap. We're not on the ground anymore. We've got rear air suspension. And after close to a 12-hour day, I'm ready to go inside and lay down. Thanks for watching. There. Okay, pull it on through.
I'm trying without like.
Don't cut the line.
That's exactly what I'm trying not to do.
Okay, great. Great, stop pulling, stop pulling. You pulled too much.
Pull it back.
What?
So then pull it back.
I can't. It's not that simple, hon. I don't want to work with you today. You're frustrating. Seriously? Oh, that didn't do what I wanted it to do.
Are you excited to have a tire swing? Have you ever been on a tire swing?
Dad? Dad?
Yes?
Am I going on a tire swing?
You will eventually.
I don't want to.
Are you gonna say something?
Oh, I didn't know that we were recording.
Oh, we've been recording.
I don't know yet.
No, you just have to say the wipers for this were originally air powered. We've decided to make them electric, so I'm making custom wipers for our bus.
Say that yourself.
You say it. It's supposed to come from you.
Right.
If it helps you there, actually.
Noah, buddy, stop standing in front of the camera.
You want to sit on the camera?
Not there you aren't. Careful.
Don't lean on it.
All right, ready?
Yep.
I think that's
Say
not
when.
gonna help.
There we go.
Got it.